I am the business head of Prabhudas Liladhar Franchisee Division, and today I am going to talk to you about becoming a financial entrepreneur. Now, this is my screen visible to everybody? Is my screen visible? If you can just put on the chat, my screen is visible. Okay, thank you. So, friends, the topic is that how can you earn 1 lakh rupees per month without any investments, and that brings me to the financial entrepreneur program. I hope that everybody is comfortable with English. At some stages I will resort to Hindi. So when I talk about this, and that's why I was asking you your background, who basically can you be? So you can be either a mutual fund agent or a wealth advisor or an insurance agent, or you can be an existing sub-broker, or you can be a broking industry professional like how I am, or somebody who was working with us earlier, or a practicing chartered accountant. By the way, I am a chartered accountant as well. You can be a trader who has been trading in the markets for a long time, or you can be none of this but just a fresher. Means you don't have any knowledge, you don't have any experience, you are completely raw into the business of financial markets. But one thing that you should have in common is that you should have a passion to grow. If you are passionate about the markets, that is the thing that cannot be negotiable. Okay, you can be from any of these backgrounds, any of these, and I would love to know if I have missed any category. If you can identify any category that I have missed, please tell me on the chat list. But according to me, I think everything I have covered over here. You can be any one of these people. Fair enough? Have you all seen this slide properly? I guess so. Now, why am I talking about the financial markets? Because the industry potential is really booming. We just crossed 4 crore demat accounts, CDSL stock. If anybody is following CDSL stock, from its listing of I think around 200, 300, it's become now 1,500. Why? Because the Indian Janta, the Indian population is now understanding that फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स में कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है, एक डीमैट अकाउंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You know, good IPOs that are coming, or good companies with very good managements or very strong business models, it makes sense to keep investing in the stock markets, in the IPOs and other investment products. So that's why you are seeing that when the demat accounts are rising, the turnover is in excess of 2 lakh crores on a daily basis. We are in this month of July, we have got the maximum number of IPOs lined up. Can you tell me one very famous IPO which was doing the talk of the towns right now? Anybody through the chat message? Yes, Mr. Sunil, you're right. It was Zomato. And it's an IPO which was worth 7,000 crore, 7,000 plus crores IPO. And it got oversubscribed on the very first day. And there was a very small IPO, if anybody, it's still going on. Has anybody heard of it? A very small IPO, still going on. It will get closed on 20th of July. Anybody knows this? Yes, Tatva Pharma. Harish Chandra Nayak. Right answer. Sahi jawab. Tatva Pharma is an IPO which will get closed on 20th of July. It's a very small IPO, but you must not miss it, friends. You should definitely apply. It's a very good IPO. If आपको लग गया तो लॉटरी लग जाएगी, आपका ये संडे सफल हो जाएगा. So when you talk of such kind of opportunities in the market, everybody wants to earn money. Everybody wants to know what to do, what not to do. About Tattva Chintan Pharma Chemical Limited IPO, the price band is around 1073 and the size of the IPO is only 500 crores. It's a very, very small IPO as against Zomato, which was 7,000 plus crores. This IPO is only 500 crores. But it is one of the specialty chemical companies and it's a very good company. So if you have not, then please do an IPO. So IPOs offer a lot of opportunity for everybody. Mutual funds, everybody who doesn't understand how to invest in markets, the first point of investing in markets is through mutual funds. And there is, if mutual funds, again, people are misled. They don't know how to invest in mutual funds. They don't know the configuration of the mutual funds, how much to invest, where to invest, what time period, liquidation, so many things. That's why the advisors are required, my friends, right? Plus, there is still a lot of money in the banking system. There is a lot of fixed deposits at 5%, 6%, where the public is a sitting potential, where they must be educated that if you want to keep contingent money in fixed deposit, please do so. But any additional money, please ensure that your money works for you, at least beats inflation. So the industry potential is huge. I'm sure all of you would agree to this, my point, right? There's another thing that you must understand is that even during the pandemic time, essential services, the financial institutions like stock markets, brokers, they were all categorized as essential services. And the financial institutions, we are in a pandemic-free business. Isn't that wonderful, friends? And you can see that in 2005, there were 10 lakh demat accounts. In 2005, there were 10 lakh demat accounts. In 2021, there are 4 crore demat accounts. In the last 1 year, we've added 2 crores. And we're still going strong because 2021 has just started. Just 1 quarter is gone. Just imagine that what is happening. The retail public of Indians have now started to realize, just like they should have a bank account, they should have a demat account. And you cannot have a demat account without being associated with some broker like Prabhudas Lilladher, who has been in the markets since 1944. More about that I will tell you. But I'm just trying to tell you that when we are talking about setting up a business where you can make 1 lakh rupees per month without any kind of investments, I'm trying to show you that the business that what we are trying to talk about is something so booming, something that is looking so good. The future is looking so bright because there are so many people who want to come in the markets and there are so many people who want better advice who are already in the markets, right? So this is another question. Everybody whom you know or see faces this questions, this dilemma. बस मेरे पास पैसा है, मैं कहाँ डालूं, कितना डालूं, मुझे क्या रिटर्न मिलेगा, मेरा पैसा सेफ है क्या, अच्छा इंटरनेशनल इवेंट से क्या होगा, डॉलर का क्या होगा, क्रूड का क्या होगा, चाइना का क्या होगा, इन्फ्लेशन का क्या होगा. For a normal man, all these questions are a Latin language, my friends. They don't understand, and then what they do is they go and put their money in fixed deposits. They let their money rot in savings account. They buy insurance policies because they don't understand that how they should put their money, where they should put their money. For all of this, they need a financial advisor, a financial entrepreneur, my friends. So what we typically do and what you should typically understand is that finance handling is to be done at every age. Everybody, अगर कोई 25 साल का बंदा होगा उसको भी पैसे से करना है, और अगर कोई 60 बरस का बुढ़ा होगा तो उसको भी करना है. Everybody needs finance and everybody is worried कि how will I manage. So what people do is whatever money they get, they spend, and then whatever money is left they save. But what they should do is first whatever money they get they should save, and then whatever money is left they can spend. So this message of saving, which a financial entrepreneur should carry, is not only something which one does for business, but it's also a financial service to the community, my friends. Just like if you get ill, you go to a doctor, you must don the hat of a financial doctor and tell the people how important it is to start saving. I'm sure that you all will agree with what I'm saying. So, this is the business that we are in, friends, where we tell the people what they should do. They should save. We are guiding the people how to beat inflation, which money, which asset class, where to put. That is what we are doing. And we are in joining the bandwagon of a great booming Indian financial markets, which I just showed you, pandemic free. Now you understand that the financial assets are made up of two, three categories depending on their risks and depending on the time period. So when you want to keep your money at the lowest possible risk for the shortest period of time, you will go for liquid funds, for government papers. When you want to keep it slightly for a medium term but with no risk, you can go for fixed income products. But when you want to go for capital and wealth creation and long term, you have to come to growth oriented assets or stock markets. I'm sure each one of you would know this. Why this is important? Why am I telling you all this? Because you should ask yourself how many such people you know who need advice on all these points which I've been saying. And that's where the opportunity is. That's where the opportunity is. If you know people who need advice on insurance, you know people who need advice on stock markets, you know people who are craving to find out कि boss fixed deposit से better क्या मिलेगा मुझे, then you have come to the right place, my friends, because all of this advice can be trained. We can teach you how to promote these things, how to configure these things, how to pitch these things, and what kind of income you can expect if you get one sale. And this is a recurring business, this is a legacy business, it is a recurring business, my friends. And this entire thing is because of your network. So in your network, everybody needs financial products. I have just categorized it. You can also categorize it this way, that how many people you know between 0 to 25 years of age, how many people you know between 25 to 60 years of age, and how many people you know above 60 years of age. If you take a diary and you write down just their names along with the age, forget whether you want to tell them anything or not, you'll be surprised that you know so many people. You'll be really surprised if you've not done that. Try doing it. And how many people you know who can be of a certain age group. Now, let me take an example. If somebody is between 0 to 25 years of age, can you all put on the chat box that what are the inevitable financial products do you think that a 25-year-old might need for himself? Just it, there are no right and wrong answers. If you all can just be a little more participative, it will help me in my presentation over here. I'm asking you that a 25-year-old, according to you, what can be a very, very important product which they may need in their life, which is unavoidable? Anybody? Either my typing speed is very fast or people are having their breakfast and listening to my presentation. Anybody? Fine. I will say that a 25-year-old man or a girl would definitely need to save for retirement, right? A 25-year-old will need to save for marriage, for vacations, for, yes, for property. Yeah, but early the saving, the better, no, Mr. Sunil. If somebody knows that I'm 25 years right now, and after 25 years I'm going to become 50, or after 35 years I'm going to become 60, then better start saving some money right now, so that when you are 60, you have got a lot of corpus. Yes, there are many goals, so that's exactly what I'm saying. That there are many goals that one needs to save for, but there are some goals that that it is unavoidable. Whether you are X or whether you're Y, the goals are somewhat similar, and those goals are going to come in your life. Emergency funds, right? इमरजेंसी किसी को बता के नहीं आती. इमरजेंसी फंड्स के लिए भी आपको बचाना रहता है. So there are so many unavoidable goals for which you need to save. And when you're looking at long-term investments or you're looking at savings, you have to look at what are the available options. And that's where the role of a financial entrepreneur comes. And when you give the best advice, the client sticks to you like family. Even your family may not stick, but these clients will stick with you. So what is the earning potential? Let me give you a quick example, and this is a 6-month goal. So if you take a 1-year goal, then this becomes a lakh rupee. So let's say I have taken the example of these 3-4 products, which according to me are a necessity when one is trying to save or do any financial planning. So if you take mutual fund, for example, okay, you identify a 25-year-old or a 50-year-old or a 30-year-old or somebody with money, and you convince him that boss, आपको 15,000 रुपया महीना बचाना है. And if you identify such customers who are ready to make a SIP of 15,000 rupees per month, and you are able to identify over a period of 6 months at least 100 such customers to start with you, then the total AUM that you would have done in a year is 1 crore 80 lakhs. And typically we get on an average 1% commission from the AMC. Nothing we get from the client, but we commission is paid from the AMC quarterly basis. So if you take 1% of the AUM, it comes to 1,80,000 rupees a year. And of this 1,80,000 rupees, we share with our partners 75% of this. So you will get 1,35,000 rupees a year. That comes to 11,250 rupees a month. So what is the earning potential and what is the product? The product is mutual fund. The requirement is of the client who wants to save for his retirement or for his vacations or for his property or for whatever financial goal that you can identify. The amount is assumed as 15,000, and we are assuming that you will spread this message to at least 100 people. After this mehnat, you can generate an income of 11,250 rupees automatically, which will come to your bank account on a quarterly basis. Now, insurance is something that is unavoidable, my friends. And insurance is one of the fastest growing sector in the financial markets right now, and is one of the best themes for the next decade. Because now Indians are realizing that without Mediclaim, you cannot be. Without a term plan, you cannot be. Without a proper, now people are going for all kinds of covers, COVID cover, house insurance, office insurance, general insurance. So typically general insurance, we get 10% commission, average. And life insurance, we get 30% commission. So I've just taken an example that suppose you were to identify people who would require a general insurance of, let's say, 20,000 rupees a year. In this, any example can come. Okay, car insurance बोल दो, या house insurance बोल दो, या office insurance बोल दो. So 20,000 rupees a month, and you identify 20 such customers. So the total premium that you've collected is 4 lakhs. A 10% commission comes to 40,000. We share with our partners 50% of what we get. So that is roughly 20,000. Now, when I say 50%, your role is only to give us a lead. The entire conversion and everything is handled by the insurance desk. If you do bulk of the work, the commission sharing increases. The life insurance, again, I talked about term plan, COVID cover and all. Here, the average is ranging between 15% to even 60%. I have considered an average of 30%. So if you get 20 such customers with 40,000 AUM, that's 8 lakh rupees premium, and that's 30% is 2.5 lakh rupees commission. That comes to almost 1,20,000 share. That comes to 10,000 rupees average payout. And the normal cliche stock market investments. Now, stock market, everybody is investing, everybody is making money. Zerodha stocks, everybody is making, going, playing video games. But our industry average is 4%. If anybody gave you 5 lakh rupees, 4% is what you will earn on an average for the entire year. So I have understood that you will get 20 such customers. That will be a corpus of almost 100 lakhs, that's 1 crore. 4% comes to 4 lakhs. 70% share comes to 2,80,000. That comes to almost 23,000. So if you summate all what I have assumed, you would make 50,000 rupees a month on a corpus of not even 3 crores. And this is the first 6-month goal. So if you were to double this efforts, you would make almost 80 to 1 lakh rupees. On this slide, my friends, do you have any questions? I would love to answer. Any questions, or have I made you all understood this slide as clear? No questions? Isn't this exciting? So what you need to do to make it happen? You need to first create the profile of all the customers. You need to understand that Prabhudas Leeladhar is the partner which can help you achieve it. You need to devise a plan. You need to devise a plan where all this, how you would approach the prospect and how you would approach an existing of your customers. You need to be passionate about your business and you need to be disciplined. So I've just taken an example of how you will bring those 100 customers in the mutual fund. So let me show you the table. Suppose if you wanted to convert 100 customers, you need a database of at least 200 people. And if you were to take a conversion ratio of 50%, generally people convert 80% or 90% of their contacts. But I've just taken a rough, a pessimistic number. So even if you convert 50% people, that would mean 100% clients. And for conducting 100, 200 people you need to touch base with, you need to make 6 calls a day. If you make 6 calls a day, you would roughly touch 200 people a month. And given your 50% conversions, you would make 100 clients. Now the question what you need to ask yourself is, do you have the passion, discipline to call 6 clients a day? Calling one client would mean roughly 2 to 3 minutes. 6 clients would mean roughly 20 minutes. Can you spare 20 minutes of your time engaging with somebody, talking about markets, talking about savings, which will be good for the other guy, really needs advice, and you in turn making this kind of money, where you will be making, if you reach this goal of 1 crore 80 lakhs, you'll be making 11K a month without any costs, my friend. There is no cost. There is no office. There is no investment. There is no dealer, nothing. Just you, your phone, your contacts, your network. If you're able to do that, this is what you'll be able to do. You can also refer people. and become master franchisees. That means if somebody whom you know can add customers like what you are supposed to do, you can refer that person to Prabhudas Liadar and earn 10% from their business for life. For life. What are the criteria to do this? We need minimum 12th pass. You should either have your residence address, own address that I meant, bank account, PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo, the check where you want to receive this money, and one-time exchange registration fee. Plus some communication abilities where you shouldn't be an introvert but an extrovert, confidence, passion to grow. That's all what you require. These are the other types of setups that we have at Prabhudas Leeladhar. Apart from just being an introducer, you can be a full service broker as well as signature broker, which right now in our office is not allowed because of Corona. You can take down this email ID if you want to reach out to me even afterwards. If you have any queries, you can email us at plbd@plindia.com. So my friends, I have made a case. This is the management of Prabhudas Leeladhar. Why Prabhudas Leeladhar? We've been in the markets for 78 years. We are a national broker presence across 240 cities. We have won many awards for our research, and we are known as an old trusted broking house. We do everything that finance touches, including IPOs, distribution products, PMS, mobile app. We have funding products, intraday screeners, stock lending, borrowing, loans, algo products, international markets, PL Academy. We have a learning academy as well. Everything that the finance touches, we do, my friends. We have a very, very good research desk as well. These are some of the performances. These are some of the products that we have. You can follow our research on our Telegram channel, PL India Online. If you want a research trial, please email at plbd@plindia.com. We can set that up for you. So that was about it, my friends. If you have any questions, I would love to take your questions now. Please do put your questions on the chat group. I hope you enjoyed this session. Friends, any questions? Any feedback? Whether was it good, was it bad? Okay, so share investment. So what I was trying to say was that you would know people who would want to invest in direct stock markets. People who want to invest in direct stock markets need to open an account with a broker like Prabhudas Leeladhar. Now, what I was explaining was that if somebody were to give you a capital, were to put 5 lakh rupees in his account, what our industry has seen is based on the number of churns that he would do, buy and sell in stocks. If you charge him a typical brokerage of 10 paisa, 20 paisa, you would typically make 4% of the income. Is my voice not clear, my friends? Can you hear my voice now? Maybe due to a small internet fluctuation, there could be a problem. Is my voice audible? So, if suppose 5 lakh rupees was invested in the Demat account, then based on the churn, if you were to charge him, let's say, a brokerage rate of anywhere between 10 paisa delivery brokerage to 20 paisa delivery brokerage, you would earn 4% gross brokerage. So 5 lakhs ka 4% comes to 20,000, right? So 20,000 is what you will make in a year. And if you get such 20 customers, you would make 4 lakh rupees. Correct? So that was the example what I was saying, that if somebody buys and sells in the stock markets, our income is the brokerage income. And from that brokerage income, we pass back commissions. So from the brokerage income, we pass back roughly 70% to 50% commissions depending on the in your setup. So you can earn this kind of money. So I hope that I have clarified your question. Tell me, any more questions, my friends? If you face any queries beyond this as well, you can easily reach out to me. Yes, we have a trading app. It's called a Trade Plus. This is a mobile application that we have, and brokerage is generated when the customer puts the trade. It's not a brokerage app, it's a mobile application which people use to put trades of buy and sell. Whenever a customer puts an order, a brokerage is generated. That brokerage is passed back to our sub brokers, and that's our business model. To generate brokerage, we give a lot of advice. That's what I showed you, that we give a lot of advice. That advice, where is my advice? Yeah, this is the slide. To generate brokerage, we give a lot of advice, and it's generally very accepted in our markets. Advice of Prabhudas Liadar is quite respected in the markets. So friends, thank you so much. If you have any questions, any inquiries, you can email at plbd@pnindia.com, and I'll be happy to serve you. Thank you so much for attending on a Saturday or a Sunday. Thank you so much. I take your leave. Thank you.